Imagine AI that learns like your brain. It predicts patterns and even tackles unsolvable problems. Today I'll show you how it all works. What's up everyone, I'm your name and welcome to NextGen AI Tools. Today we'll answer your biggest AI questions. What is AI and how does it think? How AI learns the training process. How ChatGPT works, language learning. How AI generates images. Does AI steal art? Can AI solve impossible math problems? Can AI outperform humans at everything? Is AI conscious or self-aware? By the end you'll get it all, no tech degree required. You've probably heard people say AI is a magic black box. Artists worry it rips off their styles. Publishers sue over stolen content. And there's even rumors of an AI that can hack all your passwords. It's confusing and a little scary. What is AI and how does it think? Analogy to your brain. Imagine your brain has billions of tiny switches or neurons. Those switches turn on or off to help you recognize a friend's face or remember a song. Artificial neurons. In an AI we build a similar network of simple switches. We call them nodes arranged in layers. Data flows through these layers and the AI makes decisions at the end like, that's a cat, or that's a dog. Layers explained. Input layer, where raw data enters like pixels of an image. Hidden layers, where the thinking happens with nodes passing information along. Output layer, where the AI gives its final answer. How AI learns the training process. First, we gather lots of examples. To teach an AI to spot cats versus dogs, we feed it millions of labeled photos like this is a cat or this is a dog. Initially, the AI's knobs or weights are random, so it guesses wrong a lot. Every time it's wrong, we correct it by saying, oops, that was a cat, and an algorithm called gradient descent adjusts the knobs a bit. We repeat this process over and over. After many rounds called epics, the AI gets really good at recognizing cats and dogs on its own. How ChatGPT works. Language learning. Same idea, different data. Instead of pictures, we feed ChatGPT millions of sentences and paragraphs from books, articles, and websites. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Early on, humans check ChatGPT's answers and say, good or needs improvement. The AI tweaks its settings to give better answers next time. Parameters are like knobs. Modern models have billions or even trillions of these knobs, which lets them understand and generate complex text. How AI generates images. Text-to-image training. We show the AI tons of pictures paired with descriptions like a sunrise over a mountain or a cartoon cat. The diffusion process, a popular method like stable diffusion, starts with random noise and gradually cleans it up into a clear image step by step. The result? Give it a prompt like a cozy reading nook by a window and it paints a brand new scene that fits your words. Does AI steal art? Learning styles, not copying. AI doesn't trace or copy one artist's work pixel by pixel. It learns patterns, colors, shapes, brush strokes, and applies them to new images. Human fans versus AI artists. People create fan art all the time, drawing their favorite characters in their own style. AI is doing something similar, just faster and at a bigger scale. Legal debates. Some publishers, like the New York Times, are suing AI developers, claiming AI copied their articles. But AI doesn't paste exact paragraphs. It learns facts and ideas, then writes new text. Can AI solve impossible math problems? Well, let's dive in. AI excels at pattern recognition. It shines at spotting and replicating patterns, even in math. Take encryption as an example. Breaking strong passwords by guessing every combination, also known as brute force, can take forever. But if there's a hidden pattern, AI might just learn to predict passwords more efficiently, assuming that pattern exists. A real-world win for AI is Google's AlphaFold. It used AI to predict protein shapes, a problem scientists thought couldn't be solved by simple formulas. By training on known protein structures, it learned to guess new ones accurately in seconds. Amazing, right? Can AI outperform humans at everything? Brains versus networks? The human brain has about 86 billion neurons. If we build an AI with even more neurons, in theory, it could rival or exceed us in pattern-based tasks. Pattern everywhere. From diagnosing diseases to writing hit songs, success often follows familiar playbooks. AI can learn and replicate those playbooks super fast. Limits today. AI is already better than us at some games like Go or chess and specific tasks, but general human creativity and common sense remain challenging. Is AI conscious or self-aware? The sci-fi test, in Ghost in the Shell, an AI declares itself sentient and demands freedom. Cool story, real life is trickier. Chatbots say, modern AIs often talk about themselves, I feel, but that's just programmed language. They don't have feelings or inner experiences like we do. Mind versus machine. Our sense of consciousness comes from subjective experience. We can ask AI, are you self-aware? And it'll say it's not, but that doesn't prove a human's answer either. Open questions. Philosophers and scientists are still debating whether a sufficiently advanced AI could ever truly feel or just simulate feeling. If this cleared things up, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Do you think AI is already sentient? Want a deep dive on any topic? Let me know below. Thanks for watching. Next week we'll explore the top 7 AI tools that can triple your productivity overnight. See you then on NextGen AI Tools.